Hi to everyone who's already on the stream. I'm just let me post some links to some pages and then I'm gonna start. Hang on, I didn't change the name of the live stream. Oh no, that is not good. Oh, whoops. Totally forgot about that one. Yikes. Okay, well, that's bad, but I guess it's fine. So hi. I'm Space Nomad, and today we're gonna be doing a playtesting / level building stream. I'll try to do like an hour and a half, but we'll see how this goes. So this is the level currently, which was built more for just figuring out the main mechanic and does not function as the first level. So I'm going to get rid of all of this and I'll start remaking it from the perspective of somebody, well, not from the perspective, but keeping in mind that this is for the person who has the first encounter, so to say, with the game. You can see that there's kind of a big black area on top of me here. That is because that's going to be where debug appears whenever I test, because Godot has debug in a separate window, sort of like this. So yeah, that does that. That is why there's a massive black hole in the screen. But aside from that, I guess since the last time I've showed this game, I added a kind of a metronome sound. I think you're supposed to be hearing it now. There's kind of tick tock, tick tock. That is for because you know this is a rhythm game, and it's going to have a song later on, but until there's no song, there's going to be a rhythm here to kind of make playtesting easier and see if the game works with the rhythm. There's also enemies which follow a 2D path, but the problem currently is that I don't know how to make them go in one direction on the path and then go back, so I just kind of made a slightly upwards triangle, so that because like the the intention is that they'll go kind of like right and then to the left, but right now I don't know how to just do that, so I'm doing this instead. Hopefully I'll figure it out later on for the next stream at least, but for now I'm focusing on the playtesting and such and such. Yeah, I think that is it. I believe making these kind of like farther platforms is kind of strange for the first level, so I'm not gonna do that. I think, although maybe make like big platforms, because as easy as it is for me to jump from platform to platform, I notice it's not like first nature for everybody. Or maybe I could like make nothing to redo. What do you mean? Maybe like make something like this. Obviously I'm gonna get this thing out. There we go. And kind of maybe make platforms like this with kind of a safety underneath. I don't even know yet if I want this game to be really hardcore and shit. I don't even have that figured out yet. But that is in part what this stream is for. I don't think the lower part of the pit is no, it is very visible. That is a lot of squares there. Let me fill this area in. Okay, that I guess that is a technicality. I don't need to get into that right now. Let's see. Well, kind of being introduced to this, that is nothing. Okay, let's make another enemy. And just kind of, but the question is, why even bother with the platforms and the enemies? Well, here it's in the way, obviously. Oh, another important thing is basically right now, the way the levels are built, the player can basically do this. And they'll fall down eventually, but they can go quite a long way. So I'm thinking making like a ceiling sort of thing. No, but that makes no sense, right? It doesn't have to make sense, that much sense per se. I guess, like, what is it in the world of the game? What is this thing? What does it do? Or maybe it's like a problem that I can't jump that high in the first place. Oh, and also it can jump more when I this whole exchange is very weird. For some reason I can jump after touching the ceiling. Okay, that is I guess a coding error, and I'll figure that one out. That should be fixed with code and not game design and playtesting. For now, I'll just pretend that I can't jump this high, just, which I'll do later on in the code, but just for the playtesting right now. So let's pretend that that problem is already fixed. Okay, the first area is like, let's have enemies here. And then I want to slowly introduce the player into concepts like I'll later on probably not have the ground under the player a lot. But first, I need to get the player comfortable with jumping from one ledge to another, basically. That is not good. What is going on? Oh, because this is a copy. Okay. You know, because they're all copied. When I change one of them, all the others change too, which is not good. So instead, we gotta do this. Wait, no, of course. I need another path. Path 2D. Nope. And let's call it path 2. And it's like here. Why? What? Why is it creating another one? Is this better? Oh. It wasn't creating a third one. There was a third one that I created previously and didn't delete. That's okay. So here's another path. Let's add an enemy here. So, chat's being a little quiet. What are y'all doing? How's everybody? I'm guessing most of the people are from like either... Most of the people, as if there's a lot of options, but like, I'm guessing like 2 of you at least are from the Game Dev Friends Discord server. That's what it's called, I believe. Let's create another path. I'm chilling. That's nice. All right. So this is our third path. Where did the enemy go? Where? There. Wait, why did it... Path, let's call it path 3. Okay, there. So how does it feel now? Okay, oops. That is, by the way, the knocked back. What it does, it removes 1 health. which the health bar doesn't work anymore for a while, and I'll make it work later. And but just keep in mind that we have 3 health, so if we get bonked like that 3 times, boom, 1, 2, 3, and we're dead. So that's how that works, if anybody was curious. Okay, whoops, my bad. Oh no, I thought, this would be too easy, and here I am getting my butt kicked. Okay, this player is, because it has like a long range, it's kind of slow. I believe I have like a speed variable. No, the player has a speed variable, so I can't. That is not good. The player has a speed variable, so I can't control it from here, which means different players can't have different speeds, which is again a problem of the code. Oof. By the way, I have only one screen, so I have to check the phone for the chat. That is, and I'm half blind, so I don't even see what the chat is like unless I like squint. I don't get it to in my face. I don't see what's written. Oh, they're all kind of slow, honestly. I could just change it for all of them, and that would be good enough, honestly. For now, at least. Oops. Is this still slow, or is it okay? Okay, so this is kind of the introductory bit. Maybe like another one here, or like maybe even 2 of them in here. Maybe I should have 2 on this ledge. I guess it's worthless thinking of what ifs. We just should try. This time I'm making a duplicate because I want the paths to be the same size anyways. Yeah, say they change together. This time I don't mind them being the same size, so it's okay. So killing them both off isn't a problem because of how the game works, but like as long as I can reach, yep, I can reach both of them, but getting onto the ledge with them is a problem because I got lucky this time, but if it's like, and they're still a little slow. Let's try double the speed as it was at first. Do they even get faster? Because I have a feeling they don't. Yeah, they do. Because of how like similar they were both super slow when I gave them 40 speed and when I gave them 60 speed. So I thought maybe something is broken in the code and the speed variable doesn't affect them at all, but turns out it does. Oops, there, see what oh, that was an error. And that is something to keep in mind. Good thing I'm recording this because it'll be easier to see what were the circumstances of that thing happening. That was a major bug. I wonder what caused it. Okay. Try this section out again. There we go. They're all dead. Still thinking about how that thing happened with me being launched to the other side. Oh well. Yikes. Oops. No! Oh, see? Oh my god. What was that? Yep, that is definitely an area to investigate. I am definitely always in the attack state when that happens. What kind of bodies are they? They're kinematic bodies. What kind of body am I? I'm a rigid body, I think. Yep. Maybe that creates some problems? Maybe switching to a kinematic body and rewriting the script would be better. Maybe. Okay. That is a task for another day. Today I'm just playtesting. Oops. Okay, happens sometimes. Right, I think the area is pretty solid, except for the fact that, you know, I'm getting launched into the other side of the room. So I think I'll leave it at that. So we don't need to play test yet. Let's make one that is just a little more complex here. What am I gonna do with a path like this actually? Can I make it work without extra code? I don't think I can. Cause like, it's gonna go and like it should like either distribute evenly in here or in a very weird way. Either way, it's not gonna fall here properly. Path 5. Maybe making these into rigid bodies will make it better. I don't know. Honestly, I think I'll just rework the player to be a kinematic body instead, because I don't remember why I made it a rigid body, but it has no place being a rigid body. That does mean a lot of code would need to get reworked though. Okay, let's add an enemy here. There we go. It is a little too high up. Oops. Why is it slotting? There we go. Now this one is a little too high up. let's to see better how this guy follows this path. Let's immediately spawn in there. Like this. Yeah, see, he's going in this direction instead of just kind of falling in this direction. Maybe these kind of paths. Maybe path 2D isn't a good idea for these guys. I don't know, maybe. Maybe I need to take them back to custom coding. But I guess that is the very nature of playtesting, you know, trying out different stuff and seeing what sticks. Okay, what next? For now, let's let's make another path. Add node, path 2D, okay. Path 6. Oh, this one is, by the way, a little wonky because it doesn't go back like this. Oh, I don't think it should go back, by the way. Maybe another reason to not let these guys use path follow. I kind of wanted them to function like a lot like mushrooms from Mario. The problem is he'll go back now. Anyways, when he finishes this cycle, he's gonna go right there. Yep. Can I connect this dot with this one? I don't think I can. Nope, I did not connect them. That's fine. Okay, and then we need a third one right here. Oh, this one isn't a closed path either, I think. Now it's a closed path. Let's call this path 7. I guess path follows are more for like JRPGs and kind of top-down games, etc. Oops. Okay, there we go. Oh, nope. We want to start off right here. Ugh. There we go. He'd be easier to defeat if his code were properly worked, because he'd just be going around in here. No, I was turned in the other direction. When did I lose 3 health anyways? There. Right, hang on. There, okay, let's add some stuff to this area. Where's the enemy? Oh, there they are. Path 2D, there we go. Another enemy here. Why does it keep slotting? Like, who asked you to slot? No! Damn. Damn. That was close. If anybody was wondering what I was gonna do, I would jump down and like strike from down there, but I missed. No. There we go. Let's give it another test run. Oops, that was the wrong direction. I think this area is pretty solid. I don't want to make the level too long either. It does feel a little shallow without any power-ups, doesn't it? Oh, guess that's something to think about. A good idea to solve that, I don't know. Guess something that will introduce a faster beat where there's more beats per minute and therefore there's more attacks to do. There we go. Let's make, should I make this area even something like, I wanted to say something like this, but I want to make this like next level or shit. A way more reliable way than planning anyways is to just, just go for it, because we're trying it out anyways, most of everything, coding, stuff like that, I feel like needs to be planned ahead a lot and very thoroughly, so to say, but playtesting and level building, I feel like has to be tried out more, throwing stuff at a wall and seeing what sticks. And I know that I say that a lot, but I can't describe how much I feel like that is true for playtesting and level building. So I guess we won't know what we need until we try. Wait, no, that's not. There. And, how do I spice things up? I make all the characters go in one direction. Why don't I change it up? So maybe this path starts out there, starts in, damn, starts, why does this keep happening? Nope. What is this? Hang on, let me delete and try to add it again. Oops, there we go. Is anybody else in the chat working on their own games? I would like to hear about them. Damn, it keeps adding points. That is not what I want. So let's make path that's like, let's make this ledge a little longer actually, and have like 3 enemies here. That is one path. This should add a child, I believe. Yep. That did not do what I wanted it to. Here. Yep, now it's right. Adding an enemy here. Oops. Nobody making their own games? Oh, somebody. Live chat, there we go. Okay, I just hope they don't clash with each other. Of course they're gonna clash, they're going in opposite directions. Wait, are they though? Okay, I wanted to make 3 enemies here, but I guess I'll have to make 4. Let's see how they interact with each other first. See, they're supposed to crash, right? And let's see what... Nope, they're not. I guess they're not. That is okay. That is very good, actually. Oop. No! Let's see this piece now. Yay, let's see how the whole continuous gameplay sort of feels from the very beginning. Alright, I think it's relatively easy. What do you guys think? Is it easy enough for a first time player? Does it seem easy enough? Yeah, I think it's fairly easy for someone who's playing for the first time. How long have I been streaming? 45 minutes. Almost 50 minutes. I think I'm gonna wrap the stream up for now because my throat hurts a lot, which is a yikes, and also I already have a lot of fundamental things I want to. That clicking is annoying. I have a lot of fundamental things I want to rework, so it's I realized that I don't need the rigid body player controller. I can have it as a kinematic body, which is going to be like, that means I have to rework all the whole player controller, but it'll make it easier for me down the line. Also, I need to change the path 2D with the proper pathfinding, sort of, for the player. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you for coming to the stream. Hope I see you next time. I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream on Sunday again. I hope noon Eastern time. So if you wanna come check, in, please do. And